Hello friends, welcome to Civil Master. Guys, in this video I'm going to explain the calculations of materials in concrete. So guys, let's get started. Guys, for the calculation of materials in concrete, first of all we have to find the quantity of cement, because cement is the only chemical reagent in the concrete. So for the calculation and the quantity of cement, we should know the density of cement, and it is 1440 kg per meter cube. So guys, as we know that the density is equal to mass upon volume. From this relation we can find out the mass of cement for 1 meter cube volume of cement. Okay guys, so for 1 meter cube volume of cement, the mass should be, from this relation, mass or weight of cement is equal to 1440 kgs. Okay guys, so guys, we have the mass of cement in 1 meter cube volume. Okay, and 1 meter cube in 1 meter cube of cement there are 30 bags of cement. So guys, as we count the quantity of cement in bags, so we have to find the quantity of cement in bags only in the detailed calculations. Okay guys, so one bag of cement contains 50 kg of cement. Hence if we found out the volume of one bag, so it is coming to be 1 by 30 cubic meter. Okay, because in 1 meter cube of cement there are 30 bags. So in one bag, how much volume of cement occupy? So it is 1 by 30 cubic meter. So it is coming to be 0.034 cubic meter. Okay, now we are moving to advanced calculations, that is 1 quintal of white lime, because sometimes we use lime in concrete, so we should know the calculation of lime also. So for white lime, for 1 quintal there is 0.225 cubic meter of slaked lime. Okay guys, now I'm telling you that in concrete mix, if we are finding out the quantity of cement, so for mortar and concrete, the ingredient material lime, cement, sand, surkhi, stone, bricks and aggregates etc. have voids varying from 40% to 50%. They contains voids which are 40% to 50%. Okay, so after adding water into the mix, after adding water into the mix, they reduces their volume. They reduces their volumes. Okay, that's why, and they reduces their volumes approximately 40 to 50%. That's why we have to add extra material to the mixture. Okay, like lime and cement and surki, etc. So we have to add extra material according to that calculation. So we take approximately 40 to 50% extra cement or lime. Okay, although the exact quantity is 52%. Okay, 52%. If we add 52% extra of cement, then that will be sufficient quantity for cement concrete mix. Okay guys, this is the very important term while calculating the quantities of cement in concrete. Okay guys, so if we have to find out the quantity, find the material for 10 cubic meter of concrete of 1 by 4 by 8 proportion. So first of all we have to find out the quantity of cement. So for cement we have this proportion for total mix. Okay, so quantity of cement, so here we have the total ratio, it is coming to be 13. Okay, and for cement only it should be 1 by 13, but we have to increase the quantity of cement due to expansion because of voids. So we are multiplying with a factor of 15.2. okay, because for 100% it is 152%, hence we have to find out the quantity for 10 meter cube, so it is to be 15.2. okay, so here we have the volume of cement. It is, you should calculate this, and we get 1.16 cubic meter. Okay, now the further calculation would be very easy. The second proportion for sand, which is 4 units. So for sand we just multiply 4 into 1.16 cubic meter, it is 4.64 cubic meter. And for coarse aggregate it will be 8 into 1.16 cubic meter. Okay guys, thank you so much.